We're here in Tiburon and just wanted to give an overview of this newly completed hilltop installation here overlooking Richardson Bay. So this is a beautiful site on top of the hill, and what we did was redo their backyard here with a newly renovated landscape installation. And the first thing we did here was install a new lawn, and this lawn has a couple of unique things about it. The first thing is that we use buffalo grass plugs out here for this lawn. So buffalo grass is a low water use sod alternative. And we paired that with a subsurface irrigation system so that we could still have a large lawn area here, but really reduce our water use footprint by using the buffalo grass and by using the more efficient subsurface irrigation tubing that we used out here. So that was kind of our first and biggest piece of this project. They had an existing lawn that had died, and to comply with our water use requirements with Marin Municipal Water District, we elected to go this route with the buffalo grass sod. So that was the first piece, and then what we did was come in and install some new landscape lighting and new low maintenance deer resistant plantings here in the backyard. So, and you can see this all frames a beautiful view of the San Francisco skyline here. So what we're trying to do is to keep things nice and open, both in terms of how we designed the lawn here and the plantings that we selected, but have something that really maximizes this hilltop site. And then we have a connecting pathway of some bluestone, and that leads us out to a nice little seating area. And this is one of my favorite spots here on this project because it really brings you out into really the prime view area here overlooking Belvedere Island and looking at the bay here, and a beautiful day for it. We installed a new basalite paver circle here, and we've got some FX luminaire lighting in here around that circle, and we'll get some nice furniture in here to kind of maximize this view. And then we came in and did our new plantings and the rest of the lawn here. So those pieces really kind of, looking again to kind of leverage the site and the beauty of that view was really our main thing. And just kind of restore the site. There had been a large remodel that had been done in previous years, but as part of that remodeling process and some of the subsequent work, the landscape had gotten torn up. So our objective was to kind of restore and put things back together. And one of the last pieces that we did as part of that was this existing stone patio had been beat up pretty good. So we came in and a lot of the perimeter pieces had been broken in construction. So we came in and cut a new soldier course, installed a new travertine soldier course to this patio to really help us kind of finish that off and make that look better and repair those issues that they had there. So that is a little bit of an overview of this project here in Tiburon.